how to draw a symbol. Today we're going to learn how to draw an eggplant. Let's start off by drawing the stem with a curved rectangle shape with an open bottom. Next, for the leaves, draw a swoopy S shape out to the left, followed by a curve back to the right for the first leaf. Then, a line curving down to the left, and another swoop to the right for the second leaf. Mirror that shape just to the right like so for the third, and another swoop down from the stem with a line curving to the left for the last leaf. Underneath, draw the eggplant with a long line that curves out to the left, rounds back like so, and comes back up to the leaves here. To add some more detail, add some thin lines here on the leaves. And on the eggplant, a long oval with a smaller one underneath to make it look shiny. And now you've got an eggplant. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.